Automating Google reviews is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews by directly asking them. You can include a call to action on your website, email newsletters, social media, or receipts. Make it easy for customers to leave reviews by providing direct links to your Google My Business listing, where they can submit their reviews. There are several tools available that can help you manage and monitor your online reviews, including Google Reviews. These tools can help you track reviews, respond to them promptly, and analyze customer feedback. While Google prohibits offering incentives in exchange for reviews, you can still incentivize customers to leave reviews by offering discounts, freebies, or entry into a contest. Just ensure that the incentives are offered regardless of whether the review is positive or negative, and that you comply with all applicable laws and regulations. Ultimately, the best way to get positive reviews is to provide excellent products or services and exceptional customer experiences. Happy customers are more likely to leave positive reviews voluntarily.